welcome back to my YouTube channel. You know it's a girl dipped in cho.
Alright, we get the picture. We get it.
This is Jamaica, my Jamaica. This is the land of my birth. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's a girl dipped in chocolate.
Alright.
And I'm here with
Simma.
who got the keys to my bimmer.
Let me tell you, ooh.
Right, that's so. So people, please subscribe, like, turn the post notification to be notified when the girl posts again, and just comment down below. Yeah, your Jamaica flag, your flag for your country.
Damn.
Yes, and with the fire emoji, can you know say Makhalia come with the bangers them every time. Yes.
Alright, today guys, we are gonna do a challenge. A Jamaican proverb. No, guess what happened? She's going to do the beginning, and I'm going to end it, and to see if I can remember what it is.
Yes, so how Jamaican is simmer. So the first one is one cocoa.
Full basket.
Yeah, I come here for drink milk.
Me not come here for milk cow, also?
No, come again. I come here for drink milk.
Me not come here for count cow.
Right there, so yes. Alright, everywhere.
Have him stick a bush.
Yeah. What's sweet nanny goat?
I go remember.
Sweet nanny goat, I go remember. Chicken Mary.
Mama say, the near.
Fire there, and mus tail.
My mother always said that him think a cool breeze.
Yeah. Mature macan.
Yes, Jesus. Me no call no fall.
Yeah. Sorry for Maga dog.
Him turn round bite you. Yes.
Cat mouth.
That again.
Cat mouth.
I'm tell you. Cat mouth kill cat.
Cat mouth kill cat. Wanty can't get it.
Girl, you done it. Get it now, wanty.
Yeah. Trouble now?
Hmm?
Trouble now?
Trouble not set up like
really? Yes.
No.
Time longer.
Done rope.
Right.
Yeah.
Learn for creep.
Hold that, man. Learn for creep.
So the next one is Anna every kin teeth a laugh. Alright, make me explain the one now. For example, you have a friend where you see laugh up in your face and jovial around you, but behind your back she's stabbing.
Yeah, what a knife there.
And every kin teeth a laugh.
No, not take it lightly.
Yes, it's I mean
very serious.
Not every laugh is genuine, and we need to understand this. We have some friend with their own way we not like we want to see we done.
Then we have them fix your clothes and your knife the knife they're right in your back. Right?
Yeah, right the stone.
And they will push you over the cliff.
Over the cliff, yeah man. Instead of them I come lift you up and I say, yeah, and my friend is my try encourage her.
It not gonna happen.
It not happen.
That's why
we'll never live to see that happen.
You don't keep it.
Alright.
And then we want to take your man. Then we want to take your man. Right, that's an liner.
That's true matter.
No,
that's
so.
true. Yeah, them share relationship of one.
Me know that somebody have a buzz like that. Jesus. Yeah, girl. Me have a friend, and should I say somebody else I take her man and I own a friend I do it. I own a friend 6 stomach. 6 stomach. You see how one time she find out that girl dead.
Dead.
And me if you tell her so that girl that go dead. Oh, dirty girl. And nothing that. Dirty man. You dirty man. Dirty.
Yeah man, and then them say them girl are wicked.
Them girl are wicked.
Man wicked. Man wicked.
One, two, no.
Man wicked. One.
Poison.
Just pause.
Look at fire catch.
Fire catches. Alright, next one. Pig asks him mama, when make your mouth so long? Mama say, no mind me pitney, you are grow, you will know. What that mean, mama? What you mean?
I just like when I say
It'll be experience teaches
yes,
knowledge.